Hello everyone, it's Nutandeep and welcome to my channel. So, I think it's been 4 and 5 days and I had not made any video of mine because I was having a high grade fever and I was not able to make some spare time for myself. I was feeling uneasy and right now I am having a low fever, but it's okay. I think I should do something and I start making this video. So here I am. So the topic is why you think that what people say, people are judging you, why you just think like that. Just focus whatever you are doing. Focus on that. And if you are doing something, if you are trying to learn English, if you are practicing and enhancing your speaking skills, then just keep on doing. It's okay, you are making mistakes, you are getting hesitated, it's okay, but just focus what you do, not what people think, what people say, and what people perceive you. It's none of your business at all. The thing that does matter to you and that should be matter to you is what is your perception towards the things. Think like that, what is my perception, what things I like and what thing I don't like. Think like that, and whatever you are doing, just focus on that. I know it's quite hard somewhere, but you need to do lots of practicing, and this is a fact. And also, when it comes to talk in English and when it comes to practice to enhance your speaking skills, just choose simple and short words, simple sentences. Don't try to use such concrete and fancy words. You know what happens when you choose concrete words and fancy words, somewhere you may get hesitated to use that word, to pronounce that word. Somewhere definitely you will think, I should use this word or not, I should uh, make a sentence onto this word or not. Definitely you will think like that. So choose simple words, daily uses words, whatever you are just saying, just choose simple words, simple sentences. It will going to help you very much, a lot. And think like what you think, what is your perception towards anything, towards learning English, towards speaking English. It should be your perception, only yours, not anyone else. And if you want to do something in your life, only you can do it, because you need to plunge into on that thing. No one is going to do on behalf of yours. Okay, so the thing is, what you are doing, are you doing up to the mark, or are you just taking it for granted? So I was not able to make such videos because there are lots of guests arriving at my place and I didn't have much time. Also, I was having high grade fever. But today some guests are are there, but it's okay. Actually, I can manage my time for myself, and only for 5 and 10 minutes it's okay, but at least I'm doing it. And I think it's quite sufficient for me, because I can make some spare time for my practicing, for my shooting my video. So it's okay and I'm very fine with that. So what you need to do is keep on practicing again and again. I will reiterate this thing because this is the fact, and you need to practice lot of time. Whatever you're doing, just try to translate all the things into English. Try to do that. This will going to be very beneficial for you. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. You need to follow this thing. Because if you are just taking it for granted, you are not serious and you are not preparing well, then you can't achieve anything. So if you want something and if you want to achieve something in your life, if you want the grab onto English language, then definitely you need to put efforts. So it's a fact, and I think everyone should do that, because who is trying to excel in this language? And how can you accelerate this thing? Without practicing you can't do this. And practicing on to speaking, are you speaking up to the mark to enhance your speaking skills? Okay, if you are a beginner, then at least try to speak up some simple words, some simple sentences. Also you can form simple sentences. This is quite good, I think. The thing that is needed here, which is your confidence. You should not lack your confidence. If you lack your confidence, then nothing going to be done. It's all depend on the mood. I think it's when it comes to talk in English, sometimes we just get reluctant and we are not in the mood of doing practicing. So how can we do practice? I think we should observe all the surroundings and then start translating all the things into English. It will going to very beneficial when it comes to practice. So practice a lot. Also when it comes to practice, then try to practice on your speaking skills. Try to improve your speaking skills, because as you know, without speaking you can't speak. At least some simple words, some sentences you can form in your mind inwardly, and after that you can talk out loud, so that you could hear yourself whether you are doing wrong or right. And this is a fact. Without practicing, without putting efforts, you can't achieve it. You must have the goal. Are you having that goal that you should do something, or you just making excuses and somewhere you are reluctant? So try to imbibe all the things into your mind inwardly. You can do that. But there's a thing which is must needed here, which is your determination. Are you determined to do that? Because I am determined to do that, because I have an option that I was not able to make such videos, but I have the interest and I was willing to make some videos, and here I am, in spite of having high grade fever, and right now I also having fever. So it's all on my mood, also my gumption, that I can talk, I can speak English, and I am talking in front of you. I'm practicing in front of you. So it's all depends how important it is for you. It should be more important. The utmost thing should be your practice. Is this you wanted to do that or not? These type of things you can keep on thinking in your mind. Also it should not seem like I'm just making my job, I'm just doing my job. It should not seem like that. You need to just plunge into it practically, not in your mind. Practically means you should do it verbally, by using your mouth. I mean to say, you need to speak up. Without speaking you can't achieve it. If you want to accelerate your English, your command of English, then definitely you need to do lots of practicing. Practice to increase your spoken skill, speaking skill. Somewhere I may be wrong, somewhere I'm pronouncing the words, the exact word in a wrong manner. Also somewhere I was doing, I think, grammatical mistakes, but it's okay. At least I'm having that interest to talk in English. I'm talking in front of you. So for today, Thank you.